Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, where we're dedicated to helping you make informed choices for a nourishing start to your day. Today, we're diving into 5 common breakfast blunders that you should steer clear of. So grab your oatmeal and avocado toast, and let's explore the 5 things you should never do with your breakfast. First off, skipping breakfast might seem like a time-saving move, especially on busy mornings, but it can actually do more harm than good. When you skip breakfast, you're essentially telling your body to run on empty until your next meal, which can lead to a variety of negative effects. When you say no to breakfast, you're essentially starting your day on an energy deficit. Breakfast is like refueling your car before hitting the road. Without it, your body lacks the necessary energy to function optimally throughout the day. When you wake up in the morning, your blood sugar levels are typically low because you haven't eaten for several hours. Breakfast helps replenish these levels, providing your body with the glucose it needs for energy. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar remains low, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and unable to concentrate. Eating breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism, signaling to your body that it's time to start burning calories and converting food into energy. When you fail to have breakfast, your metabolism slows down to conserve energy, which can leave you feeling lethargic and sluggish throughout the day. Without a steady supply of nutrients from breakfast, your body may turn to muscle tissue for energy. This can lead to muscle breakdown, decreased muscle mass, and overall weakness, further contributing to low energy levels and fatigue. Skipping breakfast can trigger the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can elevate blood sugar levels and promote fat storage. Elevated cortisol levels can also disrupt your body's natural energy-regulating mechanisms, leaving you feeling drained and fatigued. Studies have shown that skipping breakfast can impair cognitive function, affecting your ability to concentrate, problem solve, and retain information. Did you know that skipping breakfast can set you up for increased hunger later in the day, which can lead to overeating or making poor food choices when you finally do eat? When you fail to have breakfast, your body's hunger signals may become more pronounced as the morning progresses. By the time you finally sit down for a meal or snack, you may be so hungry that you're more likely to overeat or reach for calorie-dense foods to satisfy your hunger quickly. Eating breakfast helps regulate your appetite hormones, such as ghrelin and leptin, which play a role in signaling feelings of hunger and fullness. When you skip breakfast, these hormones may become dysregulated, leading to an increased appetite and a tendency to overeat later in the day. Research has shown that skipping breakfast can lead to cravings for high-calorie, high-sugar foods later in the day. This is likely due to the body's natural inclination to seek out quick sources of energy when it's been deprived of food for an extended period. Additionally, breakfast is an opportunity to nourish your body with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Skipping it means missing out on these key nutrients, which are important for overall health and well-being. Next off, let's talk about overloading on sugary cereals or pastries, as it might seem like a delicious treat, but it can have negative effects on your health and energy levels. Sugary cereals and pastries are often packed with refined carbohydrates and added sugars. When you consume these foods for breakfast, they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a sharp crash. This can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and hungry shortly after eating. While sugary cereals and pastries might provide a quick energy boost, they lack the sustained energy you need to fuel your body throughout the morning. Without a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, you may experience energy fluctuations and cravings for more sugary snacks later in the day. Consuming sugary cereals and pastries regularly can contribute to weight gain and obesity. These foods are often high in calories and low in satiety, meaning you're more likely to overeat without feeling satisfied. Diets high in added sugars have been linked to an increased risk of chronic health conditions, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Starting your day with a sugar-laden breakfast sets a precedent for poor eating habits and can have long-term consequences for your health. What's more, drinking sugary beverages with your breakfast might seem like a harmless habit, but it can have significant negative effects on your health and well-being. Here's why it's best to avoid starting your day with a sugar overload. Sugary beverages like soda, sweetened juices, and flavored coffee drinks are often loaded with calories from added sugars but offer little to no nutritional value. Consuming these empty calories can contribute to weight gain and other health issues over time. When you consume sugary beverages, your body quickly absorbs the sugar, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This spike is often followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugar to regain energy. Sugary beverages contribute to tooth decay and cavities, especially when consumed frequently. The sugar in these drinks feeds bacteria in your mouth, leading to the production of acids that erode tooth enamel over time. Many sugary beverages, such as soda and sweetened coffee drinks, can actually contribute to dehydration due to their high caffeine and sugar content. Starting your day with a sugary beverage may leave you feeling thirstier and less hydrated than if you had opted for water or other hydrating options. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know that eating too quickly is a common habit that many people fall into, especially during busy mornings? However, scarfing down your breakfast in a hurry can have negative effects on your digestion and overall well-being. Digestion begins in the mouth, where enzymes and saliva start breaking down food. When you eat too quickly, you're more likely to swallow large chunks of food without properly chewing them. This can make it harder for your stomach and intestines to break down and absorb nutrients, leading to digestive discomfort like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It takes time for your brain to register that you're full and satisfied. When you eat too quickly, you may not give your brain enough time to catch up with your stomach, leading to overeating and consuming more calories than your body needs. Chewing your food thoroughly helps break it down into smaller particles, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. When you eat too quickly, you may not chew your food properly, which can impair nutrient absorption and lead to deficiencies over time. Eating quickly can disrupt your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, making it harder to recognize when you're truly hungry or satisfied. This can contribute to mindless eating habits and a disconnect between your body's needs and your eating behavior. Lastly, ignoring protein in your breakfast can be a missed opportunity to fuel your body with essential nutrients and promote satiety throughout the morning. Here's why protein is a crucial component of a balanced breakfast and why you shouldn't overlook it. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Including protein in your breakfast helps support muscle maintenance and growth, especially important if you're active or trying to maintain muscle mass as you age. Protein-rich foods take longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats, helping you feel fuller for longer after a meal. By including protein in your breakfast, you can help curb cravings and prevent overeating later in the day. Pairing carbohydrates with protein can help slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This can help provide a steady source of energy and prevent feelings of fatigue or hunger shortly after eating. Protein contains amino acids that are precursors to neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which play a role in mood regulation and cognitive function. Including protein in your breakfast can help support mental clarity and focus throughout the morning. To ensure you're getting enough protein in your breakfast, aim to include protein-rich foods such as eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, nuts, seeds, or lean meats. Pairing protein with carbohydrates and healthy fats can create a balanced meal that provides sustained energy and promotes overall health and well-being. Don't overlook the importance of protein in your breakfast. It's an essential nutrient that can set the tone for a productive and energized day ahead. So there you have it, folks. 5 things you should never do with your breakfast. Remember, breakfast is your opportunity to nourish your body and set the tone for a successful day ahead. By avoiding these common pitfalls and making mindful choices, you can start your morning on the right foot and fuel your body with the energy it needs to thrive. We'll see you tomorrow for more tips on living your best, most nourished life. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.